Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your Robinhood account. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to meet the withdrawal requirements. So you need to complete the identity verification process to ensure that your account is verified. You also need to link a valid bank account to your Robinhood account, and you got to ensure that you have enough funds in your account for withdrawals. Now the step 2 is to access the Robinhood app. So what you want to do is open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and sign into your account, and then you want to tap accounts in the bottom navigation bar, and then tap settings in the top right corner, and then tap banking to and then select withdraw funds. Now the third step is to initiate the withdrawal. You just want to go ahead and enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then choose between ACH, that's a electronic bank transfer, or wire transfer, and then review and confirm the withdrawal details. Now the fourth step is to review and confirm the withdrawal. So you just want to ensure that the withdrawal amount and method are both correct, and then just tap confirm to initiate the withdrawal. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to withdraw funds from your Robinhood account. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.